What's happening, folks? Well, just got off work, so I figured I'd shoot a little video, and gonna be making a sheath for one of my buddies for this one. Gonna turn it into a little necklace knife, so that should be pretty cool. Or maybe not, it might not be that good of a video. I'm gonna keep it short. Yeah, that'll be just what I'm gonna work on. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, the like button, and don't forget to hit that bell. So, we'll go ahead and get started on this one. Here we go. Alright guys, well, that's going to wrap this one up. I think everything turned out pretty cool with it. Ended up going with a rhino lining on the outside to get rid of the shininess of the rivets. So really like the way that turned out. That was the first time I had done that. So yeah, hopefully my buddy will like it. And I'm thinking that next week I'm going to start working on another knife. Not sure exactly what I'm doing yet. I've got quite a few little projects that I got to get caught up on. Once I get done with that, plan on making one for the American Joe show. So if you haven't seen his videos, definitely need to check that out. I will be putting the link in the description at the bottom for his channel, so that way you'll be able to check him out and you'll see it whenever he opens up his knife. Might take me a little while to make it, but I got a pretty cool plan, so we'll see how that goes. All right, well, you guys have a good night.